about to change your toilet seat. Majority of toilet seats you can pick up from your local hardware store or superstore. It's important to make sure that when you get it, that you check to make sure all the parts are there. Also reading the instructions that come with the toilet seat itself. Just to make sure that if you have got all the parts and you've got it all set up, if there's anything missing, then you obviously can take it back and you can get it changed straight away. So what you need to do next is remove your old toilet seat, depending on where it's broken. A lot of the times it breaks from the little plastic screws at the back. Depending on what sort of toilet seat you've got, it's just a case of unscrewing the clips at the back of the toilet seat. Like so. And then remove the toilet seat from the toilet. So once you've removed the toilet seat, make sure that you give it a good clean down to start with. Make sure that all the old washers have been removed from the toilet itself. Then you basically get your new parts to the toilet seat. I've already positioned this one on to show you how it should look when it's done, but what I'm going to do now is show you how to put the new one on, which is to put that through there, and then from the underneath you just screw the washer and nut on. This should hold itself underneath nice and tight. At this moment you don't really want to get it too tight, you just want to nip it up so that you've still got a little bit of movement, because you are going to have to make sure that your toilet seats correctly onto the toilet. So I'm leaving that just a little bit loose. Then get your toilet seat, and first of all make sure it's in the right position and click in like so. That's one, that's two. And click. Check to make sure that it's square, and then the last part is then just to tighten the two nuts right up to the finish. And that is as easy as it is.